It's a familiar confrontation, environmental activists disrupting the activities of whalers on the high seas of the Antarctic Ocean. But dramatic though these encounters can be, it may be the outcome of a court case the other side of the world that actually ends whaling. Last June, Australia's government launched a case against Japan in the International Court of Justice in The Hague. Australia argued Japan's scientific whaling is actually commercial and therefore breaks an internationally agreed ban, a moratorium on whaling.
We simply do not need to kill whales for the science. We can collect all the information we need to conserve and manage these whales through non-lethal methods.
Japan argued the International Court of Justice does not have the jurisdiction to decide what is or isn't scientific whaling. The definition of science, its lawyers argued, is subjective, up to individual governments to decide, not for a court. For 8 months, the court has been deciding whether Australia or Japan is right. For Australia, victory would mean Japan being banned from whaling while remaining part of the internationally agreed moratorium. That would be embarrassing for Japan, but they'd still have the option to withdraw from the International Whaling Commission regime and keep whaling. Another danger for Australia is that anything less than a full victory might give Japan's whaling program even more legal protection.
If I were a betting man, I would have a dollar each way on this case. It's just not clear to me that there will be a clear winner or a clear loser. I think the court, based on its previous history, will try and find a middle course, giving to both sides something, so it looks that both of them are walking away with some semblance of a victory.
On Monday then, don't expect a clear-cut result.
Those who followed the whaling case expect the International Court of Justice to tighten the definition of scientific whaling, reducing the amount of whaling that can take place, but enhancing the legitimacy of that which is still allowed. Andrew Thomas, Al Jazeera, Sydney.